we'll do further work on solid geometry. We have a geometric solid here, and we already know it. It's a cube. Why is it a geometric solid? We've done it before because it occupies space. So today we are going to begin to think about how we can measure the space it occupies. Concept of volume. Volume of any geometric solid tells us about the space that that solid occupies. So for instance, this is a cube. So how do we measure the space it occupies? That is what we want to consider today. Now, to do that, I have what we call cubes, smaller cubes here. Here from this box. I use these smaller cubes to build another cube that will be of the same size with this geometric solid. This is a 2 centimeter cube, but I will take it as a unit of measure, so it will be like 1 centimeter cube. So I use this to make another cube that is just the same size as this cube. And remember, what we are trying to do is to find the space inside of this cube. Once we're able to find out the space and what that space is, that is what we call the volume. So let me remove my unit of measurement, my centimeter cubes. So as I said, I've used these centimeter cubes to build another cube that is as the same size as this pink cube. Let's verify that. See? The same at the top. Let's look at the side. It's the same. Let's look at this side. It's the same. Let's look at this side. It's the same. Let's look at this side. The same all over, on all sides. So we say that the cube I have built with these unit cubes has the same space or has the same volume as this pink cube. So how do we now find out the space inside this pink cube? If we're able to count the number of these cubes, it will give us the space inside this pink cube, because both of them are equivalent, so they have the same value. So let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, So the volume of this pink cube is 27 unit cubes. 27 unit cubes. That's the volume of this pink cube. Let's do another one. Smaller pink cube. I have this small pink cube here. I've used the unit cube to build another cube that is equivalent to this small pink cube or smaller pink cube. You can see that they are the same size. Let's see. The same. So you see that on all sides they are the same. Let's see this top side. The same. You can see that. So this pink cube has the same volume as these white cubes all together. So remember, what we are trying to do is to find the space inside the cube. That is what we call the volume. So let us count the number of these cubes, the unit cubes, just as we did before. That we'll be able to know the volume of this pink cube. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have the volume of this cube as 8 unit cubes. So you can go around the house and see how you can get other geometric solids and use the unit cubes to find out the volumes of the different geometric solids you find. You can look for a sugar packet or anything that is a cube or even prism. You can look for something like this, for instance, this is a packet, or anything around the house that is a cube or prism. You can use the unit cubes to get the equivalent cube and count the number of those cubes to enable you find the space inside the cube, and that is what we call the volume of the particular cube.